All right, and don't forget this broadcast is only a fraction of the experience at KUSI.com/PPR. You can see full-length features like the Jerome's Furniture Sounds of the Game. This week, it's Calvin Christian's Mara Lafler wearing the wire. The Prep Picks and Report will be right back.
I'm mic'd up.
Finally.
You ain't getting nowhere, bro. Let's go.
If you get up and throw it now, he's open.
Okay.
When
So it's like half a second late.
Yeah.
I mean, I get yelled at less at linebacker.
But you can hit though, right?
Yeah, I can hit a quarterback too. Let's go! Hey, we're not up by enough yet. Jordan! Jordan, the little thing fools him every time.
I know, every time. Okay, nice job.
Thank you.
Good luck this season.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right.